Hi guys, this is a tiny tutorial about the type tool in InDesign. So I just want to go over a small overview of some of the things that we can do or how to create a new text box so we can type within it. So as you can see on the sidebar here, we have a type tool, and when I hover over it, it shows a T, which I can actually use as a shortcut if I'm using a different tool. So if I just tap on T, then I can go directly to this type tool. When I come into my document, I've already just made a plain old document, just a regular 8.5 by 11. I'm going to go ahead and, let me just make sure I have that tool type, the type tool. There you go. Click my T there. And notice that the cursor changes here. So the cursor here is now ready to create a text box using the type tool. I'll simply hold and drag with my mouse the specified size that I need. And you can see I'm ready for action here, just like a regular old Word document or something like that. Now in InDesign, you're not going to be able to use like Word or Pages or any other word processing documentation software. You won't be able to just go ahead and type directly into it. You need to have a box set up for you to type in. So you must use the type tool in order to make sure you can go ahead and type within that. Let me just go ahead and type something here. It's pretty small for now. If I wanted to readjust the size of my text, and I'll be going over a few of these things in another video, I'll have to highlight that, and then I can go up to my command lines here and then change the point of the font. So I can go up in my points, or I can go down my points. I can also up in here change manually if I really want a specific font size. Boom, that's how I'll be able to do it. Right next to it I have the actual font choice, and here I have all my preloaded Adobe fonts as well as the fonts that are in the computer that I'm on. You'll have to add more fonts to your computer if you'd like to have a different type or style of font that is listed here. There's quite a few that come on a computer. As well as Adobe has a tool called Typekit that will allow you to sync. If you're already purchased the Adobe software using their Creative Cloud, you should have access to a few of those things for free. And then you just download them to your cloud account and it'd be accessible here in InDesign. But that's a tiny tutorial about the type tool. I'll go back and we'll explore some other ways of making sure that we can get type into InDesign, but that is the most basic way of getting text into your InDesign document.